Now, we told you earlier this week, the Bureau of Prisons plans to close the Taft Correctional Institution by April 30th. Well, today, the Bureau began transferring inmates to other facilities despite objections from Taft leaders who say it's dangerous to do it during the coronavirus pandemic. 17's Eitan Wallace joining us now with reaction.
Yeah, good evening. Taft Mayor Dave Noerr says the decision to transfer inmates out of Taft Prison is a dangerous mistake, noting it puts employees and prisoners at great risk of catching COVID-19. This was the scene Friday morning at Meadows Field Airport in Bakersfield. Buses transporting passengers onto this plane. Only thing is, the passengers were not your ordinary travelers. They were 105 inmates from the Taft Correctional Institution being transferred to an undisclosed out-of-state federal prison. It's all part of the Federal Bureau of Prisons' plan to close the Taft Correctional Institution by April 30th. The facility houses more than 1,100 inmates and employs more than 320 men and women who call Taft home.
It makes no sense to do this currently. The transfer of these inmates and then the movement of the employees as well, none of those things needs to happen right now.
Taft Mayor Dave Noerr is opposed to the transfer. He says during this time when COVID-19 is spreading so fast, the Bureau of Prisons should hold off on any movement of inmates for at least 3 months.
Shelter in place is something that we're all being told to do from the very top, from the president, from the World Health Organization, from CDC, and it does make sense. We're trying to flatten the curve of exposure to this virus for everybody's well-being.
Noerr also says the transfer goes against the Bureau of Prisons' own directive from March 13th, calling for a stop on all non-mission essential inmate transfers. As for the future of this prison, Noerr says he and Congressman Kevin McCarthy are working behind the scenes to save it. But if the facility ends up closing by April 30th, Noerr believes that would be detrimental to the city of Taft.
We hope that the Department of Justice will come up with a transparent, long-term plan, which none of those have been brought forward at any step during the course of all of this. The loss of these jobs, both the employees that work here and live in the city of Taft, as well as daytime population benefits, will be very detrimental. It'll hurt our small city.
Congressman Kevin McCarthy shared a similar sentiment to the mayor. In a statement, McCarthy wrote, quote, "This decision by the Bureau of Prisons to close the facility for repairs and begin transferring inmates this week is the wrong decision and contrary to recent congressional directives, especially at this time when our community and country continue to work tirelessly and take extraordinary measures to prevent the spread of coronavirus." Now, we reached out to Prison Operator Management and Training Corporation to ask when the next inmate transfer will take place. They referred us to the Bureau of Prisons for that answer, so we reached out to them, but did not hear back by news time. Reporting in Taft, Eitan Wallace, 17 News.